Welcome back, my dear viewer, to Cook and Dine show. Now today we were doing sweet garlic chicken and rice. So mali tumefika, I think we're almost done.
Yeah. Sasa hizi tutaweka hizi spring onions zetu kidogo tu. Nataka kuonesha viewers wetu tulifunika, so wakati tulienda break tulifunika. Then you let it simmer mpaka iwe thick hivi.
Okay.
Unaona? Vile ina flow. Yeah, hivyo ndio inafaa.
So it's important kufunika. Nice.
Na pia uache iishe hiyo maji pole.
Hiyo maji iishe.
Ndio itakuwa imeiva. Kuku yetu iko tayari.
Iko tayari?
Inapendeza?
Inapendeza sana.
Sawa. Sasa
taweka moto.
Taweka kuku yetu hapa.
Wow. Nice. I love the presentation.
Kidogo tu hapo juu.
Pretty.
Our sweet garlic chicken is ready with rice. Na nimekuwekea ka avocado hapo.
Nakwambia.
I wish tungekuwa na salad. Ingekuwa perfect, but it's okay.
But it's still perfect. Minus the salad is still awesome. I like the presentation. It looks really nice and presentable. Wow, my dear viewers, isn't it lovely? Actually, I'm in love with this food. It's very nice. The presentation, it's just awesome. Thank you so much, Madam Chef. I bet all of you have learned something. I've learned myself, and I'm really happy. I followed the process. It was awesome. And of course, this is what we've ended up with. So if at all you're going to cook this, make sure you end up with this type of presentation. Actually, when at home, try to organize things. Apana, you're throwing your rice, you're throwing your kuku, unatupanisha. Try to present it well. I think pen in appetizing. Sindio? Inapendeza. The moment you present your food like this, hata kama nikija kwako na nimeshiba, nitaonja. Yeah, this is very nice. Thank you sana, Madam Chef. This is awesome. So this is our sweet garlic chicken and our rice and avocado hapo. This is awesome. So
yeah, you can dig
I do the tasting.
Yes.
Okay. Nakwambia hata kama hauna appetite. Utaona.
Kwanza video ni mgumu.
Nakwambia nasikia sina nini ya chakula, lakini hii starch hata. Super. Okay. Let me go to my Kodofia now.
Avocado ya neutralize kitambo taste nyama.
Oh yeah. Exactly. And since this is my favorite fruit, of course. And of course, umehit jackpot. Pata avocado safi. Very nice. Awesome. The avocado bed is very sweet.
Very sweet, eh?
Yeah, I love it. So now, twende kwa kuku sasa. Nakwambia. Nitashiba. Appetite imerudi actually. Appetite imerudi na ishika tu na mkono. We are Africans, my friend.
Karibu.
We are Africans, let's do this. Hapa tutumii fork mara kisu, saa ngapi? Wow, awesome. This is too sweet. No. Makofi.
Thank you.
This food is really nice. It's very tasty. We've taken the shortest time possible to prepare it, and it looks amazing. And now, right about now, I want to invite a very pretty lady.
Wow.
We want to appreciate her because she's she's been a help to a lot of us, by the way. So unajua uwezi jua kesho. Sometimes unaweza kuwa mgonjwa, ikakuwa pengine kesho ulikuwa ufanyi kitu, anakuja na step in. So I want to appreciate Neema. Neema, karibu.
Karibu Neema.
Karibu. So just come here and of course be our judge as well. I've been a judge, so you're going to be the second judge. So please do the testing for the food and tell us what you think, how it tastes.
It
And
looks so nice.
Really?
Oh my goodness, yes. And thank you for inviting me
You're
and allowing
welcome.
me to tasting your food. And thank you very much.
You can't live with it. You can't live with it. Yes, Neema, it's now time for you to taste and tell us what you think. How is it?
Hey, I don't know, where should I start?
Anyway.
Anywhere.
It
You
looks
can do
so
makodofia.
fancy. Makodofia, chicken.
Yes, nakwambia chicken.
Chicken. It looks so nice. Nitawamezea. Mimi nitaachiu.
Wameze.
Alafu mmeze. Alafu ndo nitasema.
Na wale wa kumeza mate pia, you are welcome.
You are welcome. Meza tu.
Let me just give you time, you chew, you meza pole pole, and then the question comes in.
The garlic is playing around my mind, my mouth, my mouth. Iko soft, kuku yenyewe iko soft, alafu na chumvi imeshika vizuri.
Nice.
Acha nionje ya mwisho.
Oh, nice.
Alafu niombe sasa how rice it is.
It's fine.
Mko sure mnataka kuonja pia? Unaweza enda na plate.
Usiende nao lakini.
Please don't go with our plate. I just
kwanza-
call here so that you can. Okay, fine. Before we
want
go
to
to
go
that,
the plate.
okay, tell us, what do you think? Oh, you've been a follower of Cooking Dine show.
Yes.
Normally when we shoot, you always here. So tell us,
Yes.
how do you always see the show?
The show is very informative and new recipes every time. That's a very good thing. You know, unajifundisha kupika differently. Unajua, maybe there's someone who knows this recipe in general, but akipika kihivi, it tastes different. Unaona? Alafu kuna wale, and then you learn kupima spices. Like I learned that for each spice inaleta ka flavor kake.
Yeah, sure.
So ukiweka hii mingi ina taste different.
Yeah,
Unaona?
sure.
So I learned that one. Okay. Na kuna place naweza pata recipe ama
You can always come to us and we'll
Yes,
tell you the
yes,
recipe.
yes. I will definitely
Sisi
come
wewe
back.
ni mtu wa ndani, hatutakuambia ati uende u-SMS ile namba. No, you can talk to us one on one.
Pia
okay,
Yeah,
no
but
problem.
kwa Lolo YouTube channel.
yes, by the way, huwa tunaweka kwa YouTube channel. So when you're free at your own time, you can preview the show, and of course you'll get the tips.
Nimeshukuru kwa
Karibu
kuonja.
sana.
Thank you so much, my dear viewer. Oh no, don't go with our food. Thank you very much.
Viewers watatuna sisi ni wachoyo, but sisi si wachoyo.
No, we ain't wacho because if tulikuwa wacho hatungemuinvite.
Kweli mko
Thank you so
very
much
generous.
for tasting our food, and we appreciate what you've said, by the way.
Yes.
We stand to be corrected. If you know it better, you can as well share with us. You know, all of us, we're in a learning process. We're doing this so that we can educate ourselves. So if you know it better, you can tell us. I think maybe we didn't do right. Like veggies, hatuna veggies. So, tuambia veggies. So actually we gave you an option if we want to do the whole package, like carbohydrate, vitamins, hizo vitu zote na protein. Sisi ndio tumetengeneza, we lack veggies. But yours, please make sure you add veggies so that you get all the nutrients in your body ina require. So until here, we wrap it up. And of course, it's been nice having all of you people on board. My camera persons, we appreciate you so much. Everybody that makes this show possible, we appreciate you so much. Okay, so from us, the three ladies here, we are beautiful, right?
Yes.
Yes, we are beautiful. From us, the three beautiful ladies, my name is Anne, we have Neema, and we have Dorothy. And together we are
Cook and Dine.
Until next time, bye-bye.